How screen time impacts our eyes. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects nearly all of us in our digital age. How screen time impacts our eyes. With so many of us glued to our devices, it's essential to understand the potential effects on our vision and eye health. Let's get started. 1. The rise of screen time. First, let's look at the numbers. A recent study published by the American Optometric Association found that adults spend an average of 11 hours a day on screens, including smartphones, computers, and TVs. That's a significant increase from previous years. With so much screen exposure, it's no wonder that many of us are experiencing eye discomfort. 2. Symptoms of digital eye strain. One of the most common issues associated with excessive screen time is digital eye strain, also known as computer vision syndrome. Symptoms include 1. Dry eyes. Staring at screens reduces our blink rate, leading to dryness. 2. Eye fatigue. Extended focus can lead to tired, aching eyes. 3. Headaches. Prolonged screen time can contribute to tension headaches. 4. Blurred vision. Difficulty focusing on distant objects after extended screen use. According to the Vision Council, about 59% of adults report experiencing symptoms of digital eye strain. That's a significant number. 3. Blue light exposure. Another critical factor is blue light exposure. Blue light is emitted by digital devices and can disrupt our sleep cycles and contribute to eye strain. A study published in the Journal of Environmental Health Perspectives found that excessive blue light exposure can lead to retinal damage over time. While blue light filters on devices can help reduce some of these effects, it's essential to combine them with good habits. 4. Recommendations for reducing eye strain. So, how can we protect our eyes while still enjoying our devices? Here are some practical tips. 1. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This helps to reduce eye fatigue. 2. Adjust screen brightness. Make sure your screen brightness matches your surroundings to avoid glare. 3. Maintain proper distance. Keep your screen about an arm's length away and position it slightly below eye level. 4. Blink often. Remember to blink. Set reminders if needed to help keep your eyes moist. 5. Use artificial tears. If you experience dry eyes, consider using preservative-free artificial tears to keep them lubricated. 6. Limit screen time before bed. Try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime to improve sleep quality. 5. Long-term effects of excessive screen time. Long-term excessive screen time can lead to more serious eye conditions. A study in the American Journal of Ophthalmology indicates that prolonged screen use may increase the risk of developing conditions like myopia or nearsightedness, especially in children and adolescents. As screen time increases, so does the prevalence of myopia. 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, while technology is an essential part of our lives, it's vital to be aware of its impact on our eye health. By adopting good screen habits, you can help mitigate the effects of digital eye strain and protect your vision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health insights. And don't forget to share your screen time habits in the comments below. How do you protect your eyes while using devices?